Ooh, welcome. Welcome everybody on this daily update on MoneySquared YouTube channel. This is after New York session because I didn't trade today, but however I see some very good information I want to share with you guys. So let's go on gold. On gold, monthly is now rejecting, hasn't broke the previous monthly week yet, even though we had this correction on the after the CPI news. Today we rejected those area. Yesterday we closed very bullish, as we said that we need to close above these two levels in order to enter this area of clean traffic, because this was previous resistance. We closed above here, but then we had this previous support which needs to be broken above to come and clean this clean traffic till this next resistance. However, price today did something very tricky, because as you can see on the 4-hour we have this resistance, we have this wick, and then we closed on the 4-hour time frame on London session above these both wicks. So technically we anticipate as soon as we break the highs of this breakout candle, stop loss below here, and then we had this clean traffic till this level. This was very good trade, but that happens a lot. But when you take into consideration that we have been on this huge move for this short period of time, which is around, which is around 2 days. For 2 days we move 400 pips. That's when it comes the experience where even though the setup is perfect, we can't just really go up because it's nothing major happening, so it cannot wait, like wars or problems with the geopolitical or oil or a lot of indecision. Yeah, that is significant, but then that news takes time to reflect the real economy, so it can retrace and then continue. It just needs to make a high. So that was the very key important thing today to learn from the market. And on the 2-hour time frame, again we closed above here. On the 1-hour time frame, however, we saw that we have this dying momentum around here, because we had this breakout candle on the 1-hour, and then on the next 2 hours we broke the lows here, and then we came and break the highs, and then we rejected the whole move down. So we just took out some sells, some stop losses, some buy stops, and then price just rejected the whole thing because it was due to a correction. Because look at all these clean traffic, it needs to be corrected before moving up. And yeah, it was very nice trade today. Whoever called this trade like having sell stop below here would have been amazing. Seeing this rejection or just continuing these sells, but this sells then would give you a huge stop loss. So yeah, it would have been tricky, but yeah, maybe it was some sort of news. Let me check. Today, yeah, core PPI, we had a lot of news that also affected the market. Anyway, let's move on. GJ from a monthly time frame, we are moving very strongly bullish. On a weekly time frame, we are still above that major resistance since 2016, January 2016, and now we have this next level on a weekly time frame. Let me just mark this one here. Let's go on the daily time frame. Daily on GJ closed yesterday very strongly bullish, and today we are due to retracement. As I said, for the past 3 days we moved 330 pips, so it is due to a correction. We had very nice range here, and the price just break out to the downside. We're retracing at the moment. And then on the 1-hour time frame, this was very easy sell. Seeing resistance here would have give you before London session, going into that huge volume session with 15 pips, 13 pips stop loss at the resistance, and then you had overall 90, but let's say 50 pip take profit. That's 1 to 3 already, 1 to 4. So it was very nice trade. And yeah, after especially here at 9, let's see, 9.15, was it bearish? Yeah, 9.15 bearish, break of the lows here, clean sells based on our candle formation, and then the news came and then it retraced a bit. But yeah, that's about it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow before session to make an update. Bye bye.